This 2023 Coachmen Catalina Destination 39 MKTS is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This new Coachmen is 40 feet 11 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, sleeps 6, water heater, LP detector, refrigerator, leveling jacks, external shower, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, awning, stove top burner, TV, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features couples coach, front living area, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Coachmen Catalina Destination 39 MKTS is 9,409 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.